Today, we explore 4 magical bedtime drinks that boost collagen, improve vision, and ensure deep sleep. Discover how natural ingredients can transform your health and beauty overnight, fighting aging while you rest peacefully in your comfortable bed. Sleep is the ultimate healing phase for our bodies, where cellular repair happens and our skin rejuvenates after a long day. By consuming the right nutrients before bed, you can significantly enhance this natural restoration process and wake up looking absolutely radiant. We will focus on boosting collagen production, which keeps your skin firm, youthful, and completely free from premature wrinkles and sagging. Additionally, these powerful drinks will help soothe tired eyes, improve overall vision, and protect your eyesight from daily digital screen strain. Most importantly, they promote deep, uninterrupted sleep, allowing your mind and body to fully recover from daily stress and pure exhaustion. Let us dive into our very first miraculous evening beverage, a golden elixir known worldwide for its incredible healing and soothing properties. Turmeric milk is a traditional bedtime remedy packed with curcumin, a potent compound that actively fights hidden inflammation throughout your entire body. This golden drink acts as a powerful shield, protecting your delicate collagen structures from damage and maintaining your beautiful, youthful elasticity. Beyond skin benefits, turmeric milk is highly effective in supporting your tear film, significantly reducing dry eyes and everyday ocular discomfort. For optimal absorption of curcumin, always remember to add a tiny pinch of black pepper to your warm cup of turmeric milk. Black pepper contains piperine, which miraculously boosts curcumin absorption by 2,000%, making your golden milk incredibly effective and highly beneficial. Gently warm the milk and stir in the turmeric powder, creating a beautifully rich, vibrant yellow beverage that warms your very soul. Drinking this soothing golden liquid creates a calming ritual, signaling to your brain that it is finally time to relax and rest. These powerful properties work silently overnight, repairing damaged tissues and ensuring you wake up feeling completely refreshed, energized, and healthy every morning. Many people notice a visible glow in their complexion after making this golden turmeric milk a consistent part of their nightly routine. It is truly amazing how a simple kitchen spice can offer such profound benefits for both your outward beauty and internal health. Let the warmth of the turmeric milk spread through your body, melting away the accumulated tension of your long, busy, stressful day. Your eyes will feel less irritated, and your skin will slowly regain its natural, healthy bounce thanks to preserved collagen fibers inside. Now, let us move on to our second fantastic nighttime beverage, which is particularly famous for its rich, delicate, nutty flavor today. Almond milk is an excellent choice for your evening routine, offering a delicious way to nourish your body before going to sleep. This creamy drink is naturally abundant in vitamin E and omega-9 fatty acids, which are absolutely essential for deep skin hydration. These vital nutrients work together to protect your precious collagen fibers, keeping your skin beautifully plump, smooth, and incredibly soft to touch. Furthermore, almond milk contains tryptophan, a wonderful amino acid that naturally supports the production of melatonin, the crucial hormone for sleep regulation. Higher melatonin levels guarantee a much deeper, more restful slumber, allowing your body to maximize its nightly regenerative and healing cellular processes. You can easily prepare fresh almond milk at home by blending soaked almonds with pure water and straining the smooth, creamy mixture. Warming the almond milk slightly before drinking enhances its comforting effect, making it the perfect cozy beverage for a chilly, quiet evening. Imagine waking up with perfectly hydrated skin and a clear, focused mind, all thanks to a simple glass of warm almond milk. The natural fats in almonds also help maintain the integrity of your cell membranes, preventing moisture loss and keeping your skin glowing. It is a gentle, dairy-free alternative that sits lightly in your stomach, ensuring you do not experience any uncomfortable bloating tonight. Savor every single sip of this nutty delight, knowing you are actively feeding your skin and preparing your brain for deep rest. Next on our list is a classic herbal infusion that has been cherished for centuries for its incredible calming and soothing properties. Chamomile tea is a gentle, floral beverage that works wonders for your nervous system, effortlessly melting away daily stress and persistent anxiety. This beautiful golden tea contains apigenin, a powerful antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in your brain, promoting deep relaxation and sleepiness. By significantly lowering your cortisol levels, chamomile tea prevents stress hormones from actively destroying your skin collagen and accelerating premature aging rapidly. High cortisol is a major enemy of youthful skin, so keeping it managed with chamomile tea is a brilliant anti-aging strategy. Additionally, this soothing herbal tea helps relax the tiny muscles around your eyes, providing immense relief from digital screen fatigue and strain. If you spend long hours staring at computers or phones, a warm cup of chamomile tea is exactly what your eyes need. The subtle apple-like aroma of chamomile flowers instantly triggers a relaxation response, preparing both your mind and body for peaceful sleep. Brewing chamomile tea is incredibly simple. Just steep the dried flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes until perfectly golden brown. You can even place warm chamomile tea bags over your closed eyelids to directly soothe puffiness and reduce stubborn dark eye circles. Embrace the gentle power of these tiny white and yellow flowers to protect your collagen, rest your eyes, and sleep very soundly. Our fourth and final magical drink features one of the most precious, luxurious, and highly sought-after spices in the culinary world. Saffron tea is an exquisite, vibrant, crimson beverage that offers extraordinary benefits for your overall health, glowing skin, and precious visual acuity. This luxurious spice actively fights against the harmful glycation process, which is responsible for making your skin sag and lose its elasticity. By preventing sugar molecules from damaging your collagen, saffron tea ensures your complexion remains firm, lifted, and beautifully youthful for many years. Saffron is also a powerful protector for your eyes, specifically guarding the delicate optical photoreceptor cells located deep within your sensitive retina. Regular consumption of saffron tea can significantly improve your visual function and protect your eyes from macular degeneration and harsh environmental damage. Furthermore, this precious spice is well known for its remarkable ability to naturally elevate your mood and banish feelings of sadness completely. A positive, relaxed mood is absolutely essential for falling asleep quickly and enjoying a night of deeply restorative, uninterrupted, and peaceful slumber. To prepare this royal drink, steep just a few delicate saffron threads in warm water until the liquid turns a brilliant gold. The unique, slightly sweet, and earthy floral flavor of saffron tea makes it a truly luxurious treat before you go to bed. You only need a tiny amount of this potent spice to reap its massive anti-aging, vision-enhancing, and sleep-promoting benefits. Treat yourself to this vibrant, majestic tea and let its powerful antioxidants work their magic while you dream peacefully in your bed. Now that we have explored these 4 incredible drinks, it is crucial to understand the absolute best time to consume them daily. For maximum effectiveness, you should aim to drink your chosen beverage approximately 60 to 90 minutes before you fall completely fast asleep. This specific timing allows your body to properly digest the liquid and absorb vital nutrients without causing disruptive midnight bathroom trips later. Giving your digestive system enough time to process the drink ensures that your sleep cycle remains completely uninterrupted and wonderfully deep tonight. Creating a consistent nightly routine with one of these beverages signals to your brain that the day is officially and finally over. You can alternate between turmeric milk, almond milk, chamomile tea, and saffron tea depending on your specific daily cravings and health needs. If your eyes feel particularly strained from screen time, choose chamomile or saffron tea to provide immediate, soothing relief for your vision. If your skin feels dry or you want to boost collagen, turmeric and almond milk are your absolute best choices for hydration. Remember that consistency is the ultimate key to seeing real, long-lasting improvements in your skin elasticity, eye health, and sleep quality. Pair these natural, soothing drinks with a calming bedtime environment, dimming the lights and turning off all electronic devices for better rest. Avoid consuming heavy meals or sugary snacks late at night, as they can completely counteract the amazing benefits of these healing beverages. Your body is a miraculous machine that can heal itself beautifully when provided with the right natural tools and proper nightly rest. Embrace the incredible power of nature to enhance your beauty from within, supporting your collagen network and achieving a radiant, youthful glow. Protect your precious eyesight naturally ensuring your eyes remain sharp, focused, and free from irritation, despite the demands of modern digital life. Prioritize your sleep above all else, knowing that a well-rested body is the ultimate foundation for vibrant health and natural beauty. Start incorporating these 4 magical drinks into your evening ritual tonight and wake up feeling completely renewed, refreshed, and ready for tomorrow. Listen to your body. Find your favorite relaxing flavor and transform your nightly routine into a luxurious, healing, and deeply comforting experience. We hope you found these natural health and beauty tips incredibly valuable for your personal wellness journey and daily self-care routine. Thank you so much for joining us on this wonderful exploration of healing nighttime beverages for better sleep, glowing skin, and vision. Thank you for watching Video Creator. Please subscribe for more amazing health tips, and we will see you in the next video.